What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zander, and in today's video I am going to be making something that will help the spread of the coronavirus. As we all know, it's been creating panic all over the world and really been spreading quite fast. And we all know this is due to people not washing their hands and touching their faces, which is one of the biggest issues. So in today's video I'm going to be making something that will prevent you from touching your face, because I'm someone that's been doing that my whole life and I really have a problem with not touching my face. So this is really to help myself, and I'm putting it out there to help whoever it can that probably can do this themselves. Yeah. Okay, so this is what I've come up with. I either want to use one of two things: a moisture sensor or an ultrasonic distance sensor. I'm going to be using them on an Arduino, just so everything works. Yeah, so I will either want to use an ultrasonic sensor on top of a hat or on some glasses, so whenever you come close to your face it'll sense it, or I want to put a moisture sensor on my hand and have a time to wash my hands every like half an hour to an hour or whatever. But I think I'm gonna go with the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, so I've written some code. I'm sure you guys aren't interested in this at all, so I'm not gonna go through the code or anything, but I've written this code. Okay, so all the code's gonna do is it's gonna sense whenever your hand's close to your face, and it's gonna let an alarm go off. I was going to use a taser officially, taped to the back of my tricep. That'll shock the shit out of me and make my arm jerk down, but I've decided against that because I'm struggling with the circuit and I don't really have the right components. So all I'm going to do is just a loud buzzer that goes off behind your head, that'll warn you to not touch your face. Okay, all that's left is to assemble this thing. So I'm just going to put the buzzer straight onto the Arduino board. I'm using a Mega because this is the only board I have. It's really not practical because it's quite big. But I don't have any other boards, so I'm going to use this for now. So I'm going to mount this on the hat, and yeah, the buzzer's going to be right on there. Put a battery pack on here, hook it to the hat. Yeah. Okay, so here I've got the finished product. So you got your Arduino hanging off the back of the hat, and then your little sensor. So let me put it on and give it a go. Connect the battery. So I think I set it for 15 centimeters right now. So fuck, it's not working. Something's not right. Oh shit. The buzzer's in the wrong way. Okay, we're back and it's working. Okay, so the buzzer is set to go off like every 150 milliseconds. It like goes on and off, so it doesn't like beep the whole time, but like whenever I try to touch my face, this thing warns me, so I won't be touching my face anymore. That's how I won't be getting coronavirus. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you like this. Anyways, this is actually pretty loud, so I'm sure it'll work pretty well. Other than that, I can also put it on top of my sunglasses, which also works. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And leave a comment if you think everyone should have one of these.